All right, welcome back. So this is part two. Trying to finish up the story here. It's gonna put all these little clips into the story as well. So I was like, you know what? It doesn't matter if I have that stopper in there or not. So I was like, you know what? Let me check the main relay too. And so I took out the main relay. You know, messed around with it, ended up frying the main relay, which is unfortunate because it is an OEM one. So I had to buy that one. Like I said, ran me $81. Got the new one, put the new one in there, put the main relay back in there. Just try to start it up just to see if maybe that was the case, but I highly doubted it. Try to start it up, wouldn't start. Only the dash lights came on. So then I was like, you know what? Let me go back on the internet again. Did some more Googling, Googling wiring diagram because I was gonna check the wiring from the ignition switch to the trigger connection on the starter. Never got to that, but that's what I was gonna try to do, and I kept on going, looking on the internet, and I finally saw some questions and answer where somebody said like, "Did you check the top stopper because there's two stoppers on the clutch pedal there?" And I was like, "What? There's two?" So I came out and looked, and there is actually two. Now I had the same issue with my Integra, and I totally slipped my mind that there was two. For whatever reason, I only thought there was just one. And the switch that I put the stopper on, the bottom one, is actually the cruise control cancel switch, and the top one is the actual clutch safety switch. So so I would tell you right now, it is dadgum near impossible to put a stopper on the clutch safety switch because it's really up in there. I'll put a little video or picture here on the side here, but it's really tough. So what you would have to do, what I did was I disconnected the safety switch plug, and then you just put a little piece of paper clip in there to jump that connection, and then I put the key in. I was like, well, daggum sure, I know this is gonna work. Turn it on. Lights came on, engine started, so everything worked out. So basically, I spent $300 on nothing when I could have used a little paper clip to have it started up. So that's that. The car is making a little funky noise. But now I do have a new issue where the RPMs is acting a little bit weird. So I'm assuming that is the distributor because I did not. That is not a good distributor, to be honest. So we'll have to get a new one. Please subscribe.